Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about how we have to handle checkbox in Cypress. First of all, I'm going to create a new file which is going to be named as the checkbox. Checkbox.cypress.js and copy the code from previous pop-up code and you can paste in the checkbox file. I'm going to remove the codes which are unwanted here. So let's remove this and I'm going to change this alert to checkbox, a proper description for this one. And here what we are going to see is how we have to check the checkbox. So first I'm going to see the web drive where university. So here we have this. So here I'm going to inspect this card. So here you can see if here we have one ID. So we are going to use this ID to select this whole card. So copy this ID, go to VS Code and replace the ID. So you know this invoke function which is used to remove the target and it will click, so the new tab will not be opened in the Cypress environment. Next, after navigating towards the page. So for this, I'm going to click here and the new tab has been opened in the Chrome. So here we are going to use checkbox. So first of all, I'm going to check the Cypress environment. So close the folders. Here I have this spec file checkbox. I'm selecting this one. So the file is getting loaded. First, the page has been landed. Next, it will go to the particular card and it will open in the same page itself. So I want to check the checkbox. So I'm going to inspect and select this checkbox and copy. I'm going to use this particular element to access this and I'm going to provide check. So we can check now in the Cypress and refresh. You can see the first option has been selected here. We can also select using various options like value also. So next I'm going to select the checkbox using the values. I'm going to comment and copy this one, paste in the second line, uncomment, and I'm going to remove this one, bracket type equal to checkbox, double quotes, check box, check box, and here I'm going to provide the value. For that I have to inspect here. The value is option 1 and I'm going to paste here. Let's go to the Cypress environment and check this one. You can see here all the things has been rendered and working fine. So we have selected using the values also. Next, we are going to see how we have to evaluate proper checkbox has been selected or not. So previously I have commented this one. So I'm going to copy this one and paste it again and uncomment and should be dot check, and I'm going to wrap in the double quotes. Let's go to the Cypress environment and we can reload the environment. So here every step has been repeated again, and you can see here the input value has been checked. So in case we want to check not, the check should be not checked. At this time we have to add not and go to the Cypress environment, refresh. So now we will get the error because we have selected this option 1. Here you can see the loading is happening and the error has been happened because the first box has been checked. So if I remove the not, then it will check for the checked box, so the condition will be satisfied. Here you can see again the value has been checked and the examination has been passed. So in case you want to select multiple checkboxes, what you will do? So go to the front-end WebDriver University. So here you can see you have to check the values. Here option 1. So I'm going here, and so here I'm going to remove option 1 array, provide option, and I'm going to check for the another values. So here for option 2. So I'm going to check the value here. Here we have option 2. So let's paste it here and check in the Cypress environment. Refresh. So you can see the results. Both options has been selected here. Okay, this is how the checkbox should work. We have to evaluate in a Cypress environment. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.